Are you having a tough time adding or removing an email account from your iPhone? Whether you're struggling to add a new account or can't seem to delete one, don't worry, this guide will walk you through troubleshooting and fixing these issues. Let's tackle this step by step and get your email back on track. Ready? Let's dive in. Solution 1. Turn on restrictions. First, open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now go ahead and turn off this feature. Solution 2. Force close the Mail app. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause, or double-click the Home button if you have an older iPhone. Next, locate the Mail app and swipe it up to close it. After that, head over to the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on General. Then select iPhone Storage. Look for the Mail app on your iPhone and tap on it. Next, hit Offload app. After that, tap Offload app again to confirm. Now, tap Reinstall app. Finally, restart your iPhone, and after that, reopen the Mail app again. Solution 3. Reset your iPhone. Open the Settings app again, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down again and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Now choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your data but will reset your Wi-Fi and network settings. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully add or remove an email account on your iPhone. If you still face issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your email provider or Apple support for further assistance. Happy emailing!